With my favorite green
Ano tayo,
tea.
0.5 tayong ako.
With honey, lemon, and sarap. Sarap, Mark.
Yes, you wanna
Wow.
try?
Ignore mo lang.
Yeah. Then you have to shake.
Sarap daw. Sabi ng aking kumari.
Busin ko na.
Color red. Have a cup of green tea, everyone. Try ko na.
Kasi, ang masarap siya.
Wow. Kahit simpleng green tea lang, ang sarap talaga.
Honey lang pala yun. I thought it's the mango flavor. Yung mamaya iihi na naman.
Nakaka-soup.
Refreshing.
Ito kasi si si Dracula.
Ay, wow. Hanggang dito na lang and thank you for watching from Bucharest, Romania with love. Bye!
Nakalimutan ko ata yung